Welcome back to another video. Today, we will try to kill the tunnel bear for my first time. Let's get started. Come on, guys. Go! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, we can actually beat him. We could actually beat Tunnel Bear. We could actually beat him. Come on, come on. Oh my god, we passed him. What? Oh my god, we're passing him. My first time, So you hear noise. Oh yeah, put this video at 2 likes goal. That is my goal since we are beating the stinking Tunnel Bear. We're only at 1,000. We're at 1,000. We can beat him. I'm not using any more stingers. My bees can do it. Stinking bees. Come on, kill him. Hit him. Bonk him. One more time. Yes! 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 I killed the stupid Tunnel Bear. Yes! 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 Yes!
Can I kill the Tunnel Bear?
Yeah! The Tunnel Bear. And that's how you do it, guys. So if you see the Tunnel Bear, my bees are the Tunnel Bear. Now, let's put myself all the way back here. And what you have to do is you have to use stingers. And so I have to wait another 2 days for him to spawn. So I come running. He's right there. So I'm coming this way. Once he's behind me, because the further we go out, the smaller the hole will get. So this is big. Up to like here, it's big. And then it gets very small. So what you have to do is then get it to the outside. Yeah, well now since we got that done, I'm going to show you some of my accomplishments I got off camera. Alright, so I got some kid annoying me right now. Alright, back to the video. We have to get playtime badge. Yeah, we really need that. But all I need right now is to get this quest done, which is chemical analysis, which is 2 million for 2 million from this field, which I can't do that because I got a 2 million bag. As you saw in the last episode that I made yesterday, I had a bag of 1,900,000. Why I have now 2 million? Because I got the quest. I got a badge, which was the sunflower badge. After this, I'll pull it up. It's really hard, kind of hard, kind of easy at the same time. Oh yeah, we had to do this. You know what? Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. You guys gonna wonder, what in the world are you gonna do, game guy? Well, I have to come over here. Oh my god, I want this stupid barrel bag up there. I have to kill that stupid crab, guys. Yeah, we'll save that for when I can get up there. For right now, we can't. Alright, open the blender. This is what we're gonna do. We have to make like 20 of these. I don't remember how much it was. We had to make 27. Alright, let's make 27, guys. Oops. 27. This is pretty pricey, but yeah, 2 hours and 13 minutes. Let's go! Let's go! 27. Oh yeah. This is the way I do it so that I can get my bees a little faster leveled up. First thing first is attack the werewolf. Kill him. Yes. Thank you very much. Alright. Oops. Let me hit my cobalt bee real quick. Cobalt, whatever he's called. Come over here. Now we see these mantises. Kill the mantises. Yes. Do the mantises. Get your battle points up for this game. This is in the 15 hatchet zone. Ooh, fine pineapples. Alright. Now go down here to scorpions. You need to kill the stupid scorpions. Yes. Kill the stinking scorpions, guys. Yes, good job. Woo-wee. Alright, next place we go to. Here. Spiderfield. Whoa! Wow, that's amazing drops right there. Festive bee. There's a stop while we get. Yeah, if you're wondering what my mask is, it's from the 2018 bees mask. Last year they had bears. This year they had stuff. All right. I beat the Tiny Bear for the first time. Also what we're gonna do in this episode will be grind. What will we do? Yeah, the next episode we're gonna defeat the King Beetle. As you see right over here at my achievements, if you saw in last episode, I got the Lion Bee. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god, I got a gifted silver egg. I got a gifted silver egg from the stinking thing. Alright. Oh, it's a stupid bomber bee. Come on. That is not fair. Honeybee. Yeah, we're getting rid of that bomber. We are not keeping a duplicate in my hive. We are no way. My brother has 8. Yeah, 8 gifted bees. Yeah, 8 gifted bees, and he's almost to the 10. He doesn't even have this amulet, and he's a noob. It's like legit.
You calling me a noob, Jesse?
Shut up. All right, but I really want my brother to join. So yeah, he can join once the slot fills up for one of his. But for now, does anyone know what 250 times 30 is? Because I'm going to give this to my ninja bee. Let me look it up. What's 250 times 5? What's 250 times 30? Come on, tell me.
The answer is 7,500.
Okay, you know what, guys? We're doing that right now. Let's go to our hive. Let's increase my stinking little ninja bee here. Here he is. Here's my lovely. Oh, nice. Okay, that didn't do much at all, but it did increase it. Also, what we're going to also do is we're going to go up here. Hey, Ants, you want to pick up on Simone size? Let's go. Let's play. Let's play. Yeah. Let's play, losers. Stupid ants. We got to kill 7 of these fire ants. Hey. Social distance, man. Social distance. You stupid things. Whoa. My brother today has 2 new gifted bees. Well, I have 2 now. 2, but both of them that I got were the same ones. This morning, my brother got a looker, and then he got, what did you get, Jeremiah, him? Then he got a stubborn bee. He was so upset because he got 2 duplicate bees, but one was from Royal Jelly. Yesterday and today, he's had Royal Jelly luck. Y'all see YouTube videos and it says, Royal Jelly's a waste of time. For example, like one of the funniest ones in history was with Think Noodles. I will leave it in the description. I'll put it to his channel. Also, go to subscribe to Think Noodles. It'll be in link in the description. Why? It's because his dog died. It's really sad. His dog named Kopi died 14 years. He just made an episode today of playing Piggy. Yeah, we're gonna play Piggy soon, so just stay tuned. Yeah, I'm my VIP. Oh, fudge! Piggy was free VIP a couple weeks ago. Oh, there goes my oath. Yeah, it was an event for RB Battles. RB Battles was so junky, but I did get these. I'm fortunate to get the beautiful wings of all time. Whoa! Wee! Oh yeah, off camera I got like 88 as my score in this stupid challenge. Nice, thank you so much, silly bees. My bees are just useless piece of junk. Come on, kill the fire ants. I don't want to sit here all day, guys. Whoa. Come on, kill stinky fire ants. Ouch. Alright, men. Prepare for war! Against these stupid ants! Die! Ooh, nice. Blue bomb pollen. That's so disappointing from that gifted silver egg that we got, guys. I'm so mad right now that we're gonna spend some money later, maybe. We already got the gold amulet. I helped my brother out today get the gold one.
What's that?
I don't know if there's room, and I'm not dying. Alright, you're on my server? Good for you. I got a silver egg and it turned out to be a gifted bomber, which I was so mad because I don't need stupid gifted bomber bee. Come on. Give me a haste token. Woo! Nice job getting a hotshot badge. I did not read his name. It was Merv
1099.
Good job.
Mr. Whatever your name is.
Your enemy is Game Guy 2, brother.
That's my enemy. I'm your enemy.
Nope. Kind of. Ouch! What the road just hit me? I don't know. I think that was a fire from the stupid fire ant. I hate those, guys. Those are a pain in the butt. Will you please shut it? Oh, that was disappointing. Let's see, 76 critical, 2% chance. Wow. Well, we could lose our conversion rate, guys, to pick up blue and red. But I need my white fields. As you go in here, the fields I don't have a white. Like spider, pineapple, pumpkin, stump field. It's pretty much blue. So I'm going to keep the old one. Yeah. So also, when you go into here, if I can, in a couple episodes, I will turn this in live on camera. Not live, but it's going to be recorded. Yeah. And, yeah, we're going to have to defeat a king beetle, which will be today, but, not at this time moment. But I'll try to put on a king beetle episode today or tomorrow. How to beat the king beetle. But, thanks for watching. And, of course, subscribe. And we will get one of these stupid field badges eventually. We will target one of them, and I will do it, and I will put a video of me getting the badge. Alright? Stay tuned on that. And stay tuned on the King Beetle episode. And the one we're going to hunt is spider, pineapple, or pumpkin. So, let's see, bye.